Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to dictate in Microsoft Word. So if you want to type or dictate in your Microsoft Word, what you have to do is in Windows 10, what you have to do is first of all you have to open your Word, Microsoft Word here, and now we have to select a blank document. Just click on it, and now what you have to do is click on files. So when you click on files, here you will see options. Just click on options, and here you have to click on general, and just scroll down, and here you will see enable services. Just click on it and click on OK. So when you click on OK, now second thing is you have to click on your Windows start key here and click on setting. Now when you click on setting, now what you have to do is just click on here you will see find privacy option, click on it, and here second option under general speech. So now you have to make sure that online speech recognition is on, so you have to turn it on. So like this you have to turn it on, and now what you have to do is just go back in your Word, Microsoft Word page, and you have to press Windows plus H. Windows plus H. Now it is initializing, so wait for few seconds. I am going to say hello. Now click on it and say hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? I am fine. So you have to type you have to press Windows plus H. After doing all these things, just say, and if you want to on, just click on this microphone and say hi or everything like this. So like this you can dictate in Windows in Microsoft Word. This is Windows 10. You can also use this method in Windows 11, 12, Windows 11. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.